Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at my birthday bag first impressions. This does have two handles, so in case you want to guess what it is, I will tell you it is not a Kelly and it is not a Birkin. It is an Hermes bag though. I'm going to go ahead and lower the dust bag a little bit. It does have a turn lock. This is palladium hardware. It is beautifully, still has the protective sticker. Let's go ahead and lower this a little more. This is Swift leather in the color Covert. This is a Hermes toolbox in the size 26. I unboxed the Petite Oche charm last week, which is a beautiful contrast to this color. And let's go ahead and take her out of the dust bag. So, like the name, toolbox, it is very boxy bag. It does have a liner inside, and I still haven't removed the tags. But here is a look at the side with a bag insert, just because this leather again is very slouchy. This didn't come with a strap or a clochette, but here's a look at the palladium hardware. I did buy a strap separately. I look at the back, you can see where the organizer hits. Let's go ahead and open up the mouth. The bag does open very wide. This is a look at the stamp. I did have to get this authenticated by Baba Baby before I bought it, just to make sure. This is probably the most expensive bag I've ever purchased. It did come with an authentic dust bag, which I was really excited about. Just a fun fact, the dust bag does have this little like arrowy design, and they always should have like a chocolate color drawstring and chocolate color print. I thought that was cool. Inside, this bag is pretty simple in design. There is a pocket here that's pretty big, and there's another pocket here and here. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the organizer. This is just a quick look at the insert I picked up by Divide and Conquer. It was pretty hard to find a toolbox organizer in the size 26, but there's a lot of pockets, which I really like, and a plastic kind of bottom to help it hold its shape. Okay, going back to the toolbox, here is a very big look at the opening. If you are holding it, the toys should always come off. You can see how slouchy it is. Let's just take off. I don't like the leather to sit like this, but on its own, if it's not fastened, you can see it just is very slouchy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the lock here. And this is what it looks like without anything in it. Now, the normal shoulder strap is not adjustable, but this was the one that I purchased from Etsy. It was a pretty good match in my opinion. You can order replacements from Hermes, but they are over $1,000. This one was only about $50 USD. So it does hang pretty nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and put this is how it looks like put together. I'll go ahead and put the measurements in, and I don't have time to do mod shots today because I'm late for work, but I'll go ahead and include those in the next video. This is just a really short one today. But if you have any questions about the toolbox, let me know. I did purchase two Twillies that do I hope kind of match for the handles. If you are looking for a toolbox, there are some pretty good deals on the pre-loved market. I would start with Fashion File or Real as a starting point. Thank you.